Hey, it's Glenn. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol UXIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy price movement today, and then you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support going forward is going to be right down here where essentially the price finally seemed to try to go sideways, and that was right here at $4.70. So the price right now is essentially sitting at $4.70, give or take a few pennies. But that's definitely going to be that initial level. If you go back through the history of things, right there you can see that was a former area of resistance. And a basic rule within charting is that when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. And like I said, that is exactly what's happening at this point in time. Now, in the event that 470-ish area does not hold, the next key level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, valued at $4.48, but keyword being moving. So as this week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, and therefore that value is going to change. So yes, right now it is $4.48, but if that 470 mark does not hold, then you're going to have to be a little bit more proactive and kind of go take an inventory check on what the current value of that 50 period is. But to be fair, so far so good. 470 is holding, but if it doesn't, then yeah, the next level to keep an eye on will be that purple line there. What about levels of resistance? If this is indeed some sort of bottom and the price starts to turn around, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? Initial area of sellers and resistance right here, apparently right around the $4.90 mark. If the price can push up through there after $4.90, next key overall level right up around $5.15. So keep an eye on those couple levels. Yeah, I get it. The price did go up around $5.60 and above. But before you start talking about those areas of the chart, the price needs to first prove itself more so in the shorter term. And again, I am defining and quantifying prove itself as getting up above these couple areas of resistance right here. So crazy movement today. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.